There are a lot of recipes that use shredded chicken, but what's the best way to make that? They usually tell you to boil it. Well, today I'm going to try 3 different ways of cooking chicken to see what gives us the best result. And then I'll show you what I think is the best and easiest way to shred it. Hi, I'm Deb, and this is my kitchen. Here I cover recipes that anyone can do, plus cooking skills and tips on making your dinner table the family center of your home, because that's where family is built. Thanks for watching, subscribing, and sharing. Are you ready? Because the kitchen is now open. Come on in. Let's cook up something good. To make my shredded chicken, the ingredients I'll be using are boneless, skinless chicken breasts, water, and salt. Start by rinsing your chicken in cool water and removing any fat you can pull off with your hands. Always remember to wash your hands and any utensils that have come into contact with raw poultry with antibacterial soap and warm water. Next, to boil your chicken, add rinsed chicken to your pot and then fill with cool water to about an inch above the chicken. Transfer your pot to the stove and add 1 tablespoon of salt. Now turn on your heat to high and partially cover with a lid. When your water reaches a full boil, immediately lower the heat to medium-low. You want it to simmer, meaning you get a bubble here and there, but not a lot. Simmer for about 45 minutes or until internal temp is 165 degrees and/or the juices run clear. Cook times will vary depending on the size and number of pieces in your pot. Load your rinsed chicken into your slow cooker. There's no need to add seasonings or liquid of any kind. Set the power on low and cook for 6 to 8 hours. Again, cook times vary depending on the amount of chicken you're cooking. It's always best not to lift the lid for at least 6 hours. Load your rinsed chicken into your pressure cooker and follow your manufacturer's instructions. For mine, I'm adding 1 cup of water and setting the pressure on high and the timer for 8 minutes. Again, chicken is done when the internal temp reaches 165 degrees and/or your juices run clear. I always shred chicken with my bare hands. I think it's easier and I get better results. First, let's start with the boiled chicken. It's very light in color and shreds pretty easily and has a pretty good texture. Next is our slow cooker chicken. It has a lot more color and, oh my gosh, it just falls apart in my hands. I can shred this in no time, and it has a fine texture. Last is our pressure cooker. It has more color than the boiled chicken, but not as much as the slow cooker. It shreds about the same and has a real similar texture as compared to the boiled chicken. Okay, let's look at our results. In terms of cook time, the pressure cooker came in first. To pressurize, cook, and depressurize took a total of only 16 minutes. The boiled chicken came in second at 50 minutes, and the slow cooker brought up the rear at 6 hours. As far as shredding, the boiled and pressure cooker were about the same. Neither one was hard to shred, but by far the easiest was the slow cooker chicken. It practically fell apart in my hands and shredded very, very fast. Now let's get down to what really matters, the final product. For tenderness, slow cooker comes in first, pressure cooker second, and boiling comes in third. For texture, I like a fine texture, so slow cooker comes in first, with pressure cooker second, and again, boiled coming in third. For taste, I gotta give it to the slow cooker, with pressure cooker number 2 and boiled number 3. For me, the overall winner is slow cooker chicken. But if you just don't have the time or you forgot to set it before you went to bed or left for work, the pressure cooker is a great alternative. 16 minutes? That's incredible. And the results were really good. If you don't have the time and you don't have the pressure cooker tech, you can go old school. Cook it on the stovetop. It's low tech, low cost, and it gives a very good result as long as you boil it the right way. There really are a lot of ways to use shredded chicken. You can make a whole variety of fun and tasty meals to bring your family together at the dinner table where family is built. And if you feed them, they will come.